Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel with a mobile phone. For this tutorial, I have an iOS phone that uses the How It Works feature, but it is the same on Android. To create a YouTube channel, let's get started. First, go open the YouTube app. And click the profile button. Open settings. Click switch account. Click add account. And click continue. Click create account for my personal use. Enter your first name and last name. After that, click next. Enter your birthday and gender. Click next. And click create a Gmail address. Click next. And pick a Gmail address or create your own. Click next. Create a strong password. Click next. Click skip and next. Click next. Click choose in one step. Click next. And scroll down. Click accept all and scroll down. Click confirm and scroll down. Click I agree. finally done. I hope you enjoyed this video and that I helped you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tips. Nice to see you again.